Discover the features and benefits of the top window cleaning robots designed to make your life easier. From advanced sensors to powerful suction and smart water spray systems, these robots deliver spotless windows with minimal effort. So, let's get started. Number 5. PuRuiKai Ultra Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The PuRuiKai Ultra Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner, your smart, compact solution for spotless windows at home. This powerful window cleaning robot features dual-disc rotary cleaning wheels that mimic manual wiping, applying 50 newtons of pressure for deep cleansing. Its upgraded motor delivers ultra-high speed for efficient, streak-free results, cleaning like it is flying across the glass. After starting up, wait just 20 seconds. The blue light will stop flashing once it has detected the glass surface. Then, cleaning begins with intelligent path planning using a bow-shaped route for maximum coverage and fewer missed spots. Attach the high-tensile safety rope, capable of withstanding up to 150 kg force, to prevent any risk of falling from heights. Even during a power failure, the robot maintains strong suction for up to 20 minutes while sounding an alarm for safety. It comes with automatic obstacle avoidance, edge detection, and smart sensors to adapt to various surfaces from tile walls and bathroom mirrors to framed glass and fiberglass. Use the included remote control for effortless one-touch operation. For better performance, lightly spray water on the mop's edge before use. The device operates at low noise levels, making it perfect for daily use. And with a 3-year warranty, you are covered. We send you replacement parts free if anything goes wrong, except for human damage. For fast shipping, select our Russian or Spanish warehouse. Note: customs taxes may apply if shipping from China. PuRuiKai, intelligent, powerful, and designed to make window cleaning effortless. Number 4. CHOVERY CL1. The CHOVERY CL1 Robot Window Cleaner, engineered for smarter, safer, and deeper glass cleaning. With dual 40 ml ultrasonic water tanks, the CHOVERY CL1 automatically sprays ultra-fine mist at 0.1 ml per burst, eliminating the need for manual spraying. It can clean up to 50 square meters of glass with one fill. Powered by a German brushless motor, it delivers 2,500 Pascal suction for stable adhesion and efficient stain removal. The upgraded SLAM system adjusts cleaning routes in just 0.3 seconds, ensuring optimal path planning. Its intelligent memory function allows the robot to return to its starting point once the job is done, while fixed-pointed cleaning targets heavy dirt with simulated manual back-and-forth wiping. The ultra-thin body, only 63 mm thick, enables access to tight spaces, including anti-theft windows. A square frame design reaches every window corner, making it ideal for household use. Safety is paramount. In the event of power failure, the built-in lithium battery maintains suction for 30 minutes and sounds a real-time voice alert. A high-strength safety rope adds additional protection during high-rise use. Control is easy via the included remote or through a user-friendly mobile application. The CHOVERY CL1 supports frameless and framed glass, mirrors, tiles, and even rough glass surfaces, using washable microfiber mops for sustainable cleaning. To begin, wait 20 seconds after power on for glass detection. For best results, use dry wiping first if glass is heavily soiled. CHOVERY CL1 Effortless Window Cleaning, Intelligent Performance. Number 3. Liectroux YW910. The Liectroux YW910 Window Vacuum Robot Cleaner features advanced two-way water spraying for thorough and efficient cleaning. Its ultra-thin, ergonomic design houses a powerful imported brushless motor with zinc alloy gearing and a 6-axis acceleration sensor, ensuring strong suction and smooth operation. Equipped with an intelligent artificial intelligence chip, this robot plans cleaning routes automatically using 3 modes: N-shaped for horizontal wiping, Z-shaped for vertical wiping, and an automatic mode combining both for deep cleaning. After finishing, it memorizes its starting point and returns there automatically. The built-in water tank uses nano-ultrasonic atomization technology to spray water evenly, dissolving stains in advance for effective wiping. Control is simple with an easy-to-use mobile app or one-button remote control, working up to 15 meters away on a 2.4 GHz wireless network. Safety features include a high-quality lithium-ion battery with power failure protection, allowing it to remain adhered to the glass for 30 minutes during outages. The laser edge detection sensor prevents falls by detecting window frames and handles, adjusting the path smoothly, even on frameless glass. The suction cup biomimetic adsorption system delivers 3,000 Pascal suction force and can support up to 6 kilograms of vertical load. Microfiber cleaning pads remove dust and dirt without leaving marks and are washable for repeated use. Operating quietly at around 65 decibels, the YW910 is suitable for various surfaces including framed and frameless windows, glass doors, frosted glass, tile walls, and more. With reinforced metal gears, low noise, and long-lasting durability, the Liectroux YW910 makes window cleaning effortless and safe for any home or office. Number 2. Liectroux HCR-10. The Liectroux HCR-10 window cleaning robot features an ultra-thin 6.8 cm body designed for free movement on various surfaces such as glass, tiles, mirrors, and even marble walls. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and a strong vacuum suction of 2,800 Pascal, it securely adheres to vertical surfaces while removing dust and stains efficiently. This robot uses advanced ultrasonic atomizing technology with a 30 ml water tank that sprays a fine 15 micrometer mist to dissolve dirt before wiping. Its dual-disc cleaning system simulates hand-twisting motions at 70 rotations per minute for thorough cleaning, combining spraying, wiping, and suction in one pass. Liectroux HCR-10 offers 3 intelligent automatic cleaning modes controlled via remote or manual operation. It detects window frames and obstacles, adjusting its route with artificial intelligence for maximum coverage. After completing its task, the robot automatically returns to its starting position. Safety is a priority with a built-in uninterruptible power supply that maintains suction for up to 20 minutes during power loss, preventing falls. It includes a professional 4-meter safety rope capable of supporting 150 kilograms for additional security. The robot also features a long power cable of up to 5.2 meters to clean larger areas without interruption. With fast cleaning speeds of approximately 2 minutes per square meter and specially designed microfiber mopping cloths, the HCR-10 delivers deep cleaning while being environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Its low noise and low power consumption make it ideal for home and commercial use, ensuring spotless windows without manual effort or safety risks. Number 1. ABIR WD8. The ABIR WD8 robot window cleaner features an ultra-thin design with a diameter of 62 mm and a square shape, allowing it to clean window corners effectively and smoothly. Equipped with an advanced SLAM 4.0 system, it intelligently plans its cleaning route in real time using built-in laser sensors, detecting edges and adjusting its path within 0.3 seconds for full coverage and high efficiency. This robot uses innovative dual ultrasonic spray nozzles that atomize water into a fine mist sprayed in 3 directions, improving cleaning area by 90%. The German brushless motor provides super strong suction power of 3,000 Pascal, ensuring firm adhesion to windows and easy removal of stubborn stains. The ABIR WD8 supports 4 cleaning modes: Z route, N route, combined N plus Z deep cleaning, and fixed point cleaning, which simulates manual wiping by repeatedly spraying water and wiping a specific area. Its smart memory function enables the robot to return to its starting point after finishing, making retrieval simple. For safety, the robot includes a 4-meter safety rope, a 650 mAh backup battery that maintains suction for 40 minutes during power loss, and multi-layer composite tracks for secure adhesion. The high-quality microfiber cleaning pad is machine washable and offers strong dust removal with excellent water absorption. Controlled easily through the Tuya Smart or Smart Life app via Bluetooth, or with a remote control, the ABIR WD8 provides voice prompts for status updates, making window cleaning effortless, safe, and efficient on various smooth surfaces like mirrors, tiles, marble, and glass doors. There you have it, the best window cleaning robots to keep your glass surfaces crystal clear. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home reviews.